Every day, prediction market builders and Oracle protocol designers struggle with single-model forecasts that drift on calibration and collapse under Sybil pressure. I'm Eshaan, Team Swarm Oracle Solo, and today I'm launching Swarm Oracle V2 to solve this by combining multiple AI forecasters with calibration-weighted, Sybil-resistant on-chain consensus. Right now, single-model oracles drift on calibration. They're confidently wrong and you can't tell when. Multi-agent setups have no principled way to combine noisy forecasts, and Sybil attacks on collective forecast systems are still an open problem. So protocol designers are forced to either trust one model blindly or take naive majorities that get gamed. Forecasters shouldn't need to be trusted. They should have to earn their weight. By Brier scoring every agent and weighting their votes by historical calibration, plus enforcing an economic security invariant where n times b is greater than m against Sybils, we can provably combine multiple noisy forecasters into a single robust signal. Swarm Oracle works by running a Python forecaster fleet in parallel, then writing each agent's Brier score into a calibration registry contract on Base Sepolia, where SwarmConsensus reads those weights and resolves the question on-chain. When you submit an event, every agent researches independently. Weights are computed in fixed-point Solidity bit-for-bit identical to the Python, and the consensus is attested on-chain. There's no staking, no API key, no trusted oracle, just verifiable calibration. Let's look at how seamless this is in action. Here's the Swarm Oracle dashboard. I'll submit a real binary question. Will Bitcoin reach $100,000 by December 31st, 2026? And watch 3 agents kick off in parallel. One specialist, one generalist, one novice. They each return their own probability of yes and confidence, based on independent research strategies. Now watch how each agent votes. Agent Oracle votes around 0.52. Agent Reliable comes back at 0.48. Agent Novice lands at 0.60. 3 honest, calibrated forecasts, but they genuinely disagree because the question is 7 months out and the evidence cuts both ways. This is where Swarm Oracle earns its keep. The aggregator isn't averaging, it's a calibration-weighted linear opinion pool. The weighted consensus lands at 0.51, but the weighted variance is 0.0281, above the dispute threshold. So instead of forcing a misleading number, the system returns dispute. The same formula runs in CalibrationRegistry on-chain in 18-decimal fixed point. 14 parity tests confirm Python and Solidity agree bit for bit. That dispute flag is the headline feature. Other oracles would have averaged the noise and shipped a confident-looking lie. Now look at the benchmark. On the 50K suite with seed 42, the Swarm scored 100% accuracy and a Brier of 0.0724, beating the best single agent's 0.1029, beating naive majority, beating unweighted average. Calibration weighting isn't a wash, it's a measurable accuracy gain, and the dispute gate keeps it honest when the agents themselves can't agree. What you just saw is live. The current build has 797 tests passing, 742 Python plus 55 Foundry, 0 external Python dependencies, 4 contracts deployed on Base Sepolia, and 100% accuracy at 0.0724 Brier on the deterministic 50-case benchmark. Quick war story. Our autonomous build loop caught that deploy.s.sol was missing vm.start broadcast. The deploy would have run silently with 0 on-chain transactions. We pinned a regression test and shipped. Next up, Ethereum mainnet deployment. Finalize and dispute window hooks so resolutions are properly challengeable, a dispute resolution UI, and gas benchmarks across the 4 contracts. The goal is a self-improving oracle that real prediction markets and AI agents can plug into without trusting any single forecaster. We're submitting for the Resilient Agents Prize track from Foundry, and we're looking for mainnet deployment grants and community testers to put the dispute path through its paces. Code at github.com/solmonger/swarmoracle. Full project page on dev post at devpost.com/software/swarmoracle. Try it, fork it, break it. Thank you.